So you guys don't know, lipos pack a little bit more punch than lithium-ion packs. All right, guys, I want to show you. So this is the stock lithium-ion pack, and this is the lithium-ion packs is putting out good power. See, it's about the same. It's maybe not a little bit faster. What's going on, guys? Drone the Dogs here. Welcome back to the channel. All right, y'all. So we back out with this Polar Lights 110 scale 2-wheel drive RC car, or like truggy, whatever you want to call it. So some say it's a monster truck, some say it's a truggy, I'm gonna say it's a truggy. It's a 110 scale. You guys would have seen I just did the unboxing yesterday. Check that out. So we're gonna do a quick speed run. We got comes with two 2600 milliamp hour lithium-ion packs. So we're gonna do the speed test with this bad boy. I got a 2S LiPo. I'm not sure if it's gonna fit in there, but we'll see if it'll fit in there. If we can get it to fit in there, we'll try speed run with the 2S LiPo as well. But completely stock out the box. GPS is zeroed out. Click play. So you guys can see it's zeroed out. She got enough satellites. Speed switch is turned all the way up. Guys gotta make sure the GPS is catching. Alright. 4.9 miles per hour there. Alright, stock out the box. Let's see what we get with this lithium-ion. 4 throttle. 4 throttle. I believe this thing was only freaking 90 bucks. Alright. See, we got 18.6. 18.6. Can we get 19 miles per hour? Can we break 19? Can we break 19? Break 19. See what we got. Whew. 18.6 still. All right, let me see if I can fit this 2S LiPo in there. But that's what we get, stock out the box, 18.6, almost 19 miles per hour, which is not too bad. Let's see if we can fit this 2S LiPo in there. Let's see. All right, guys, I want to show you. So this is the stock lithium-ion pack, and this is the legendary 2S LiPo I'm going to put in there. The legendary is pretty much almost exactly the same size, if not a little bit smaller, so it should fit right up in the battery tray. So see if we can fit this legendary LiPo in there and see what we get with that. What do you guys know? This thing fits in it like it was made for it. Fits right up in there like a glove. Ain't that right, Sylvia? Okay, guys, 2S LiPo installed. This is the legendary 5200 milliamp hour 30C 2S LiPo. GPS is back, zeroed out. We got 18.6 with the stock lithium-ion pack. Make sure this is catching. Yep, it's catching. Just caught 3.8 right there. All right, let's see if we can get any faster with a LiPo. good thing. It means that the lithium ion packs is putting out good power. It's either about the same. Maybe not a little bit faster. Definitely get a longer run time with this LiPo though, being a 5200 milliamp hour LiPo. See what we got. Okay, we did. We got almost 20 miles. We got a whole mile per hour faster. We got 18.6 lithium ion pack. We got 19.5 with this, so we got a mile per hour faster. Okay. Alrighty guys, so there you guys have it. 18.6 stock out the box, 19.5 2S LiPo. We still got the LiPo in there. Got the LiPo in there, we might as well have a little bit of fun with it. So you guys know LiPos pack a little bit more punch than lithium ion packs. That's why you get the little extra mile per hour. Okay. Alright. A little extra mile per hour, getting us a little bit more air too, huh? Shock adjustments, shock series on see. Just did a flip though. Y'all see that? That bad boy just did a flip. Actually do that twice. I ain't gonna be able to do that twice. This is a nice little rig. The price. Grass, they do. Yeah, I'm liking this. I'm liking this, y'all. I'm liking this, y'all. Lights look nice and bright even at daytime. Ooh, okay. Durability. Durability. Nice. Ooh. This is nice, y'all. It's gonna be like a solid little platform for like a beginner or a kid getting to the hobby, because they don't want to get like the smaller 16 scale stuff. A lot of people don't want to get like the little boxing and hypergraph stuff. They want to get a larger one. if they don't want to spend that much money. This is a good option. This 2S definitely woke it up. Definitely woke it up. Yeah. I said it in the first video, I'll say it again. If you really can't afford like the Gorgon or the Vortex Mega that they got out now, the 2-wheel drive ones, go ahead and get this, man. This is not bad at all. Get you this and a set of oil fill shocks and you good to go. 2S LiPo. Great, cuz. It's great. Second one out of the box. Still no damages, no breakages, everything hold up. Let's look at that, the metal. Little couple of scrapes, but that's to be expected on the metal plates there. But everything is in working order. So link in the description below. You guys want to check it out. Go ahead and leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think it is. Is it hot or is it not? So your boy Drones the Dog with the Polar Lights 110 scale 2-wheel drive Truggy. Definitely gonna be some more runs of this coming up in the future. I don't know if I'll make it brushless or not. I don't know. I kind of like it the way it is, but I'll definitely do some work on the suspension though. But catch you guys in the next episode. You know what it is. Deuces.